Ready, go!
For extreme ills, extreme remedies. 10 amazing benefits of Longan. Longan, also known as dragon's eye, because of a white eye-shaped mark on the pit that appears as a pupil in the large eye, are soft and smaller than lychee fruits. They are brown in color and are referred as little brothers of lychee fruits. Longans, whose scientific term is Dimmocarpus longan, originated in China and later spread across the globe and is now widely cultivated in Thailand, India and in several other countries of Asia. Longan is available abundantly in the summer season and can be consumed either raw or as dried fruits. Longans have a brown and fragile skin. It has sensitive and translucent white flesh which has a musky grape-like flavor, encasing a tiny black seed. Longan fruit contains rich amount of vitamin C that is equal to 80% of daily requirement. It also contains minerals like iron, phosphorus, magnesium and potassium. It is also rich in vitamin A and essential in antioxidants. Here are the benefits of Longan that you should to know about it as below. 1. Longan does miracles to nerve problems and is highly recommended as an antidepressant. They give a relaxing effect to the nerves and are proven to enhance the nerve function, lower irritability and reduce fatigue. Longans treat neurasthenic neurosis and insomnia and are also capable to deal with neurasthenic and sleeping disorder. 2. Longans improve wound healing capability and increases longevity. Together with polyphenols, it helps to combat the free radicals within the body and prevents cells damage. It also helps to reduce the risk of developing certain types of cancer. 3. Longans improve blood circulation and increases the iron assimilation in human body. This in turn prevents the occurrence of anemia. 4. Longan is an excellent energy enhancer and is an outstanding chi tonic which raises long-term energy. Being a chi tonic, it can be used to alleviate sleeplessness, lapse of memory and also anxiousness which are the outcome of blood and chi deficiency. 5. This fruit is low in fats and calories. It is a healthy option for those who want to cut down fats from their body. Longans also contain complex carbohydrates which raise energy, enhance stamina and reduce food cravings. A half cup of Longan contains only 35 calories, making it a healthy addition to a low-calorie diet. 6. Longans contain a high amount of vitamin C which is useful in safeguarding the body from cold and flu and improves the defense mechanism. Vitamin C assists in soaking up iron and improves the skin condition as well. 7. It benefits the heart condition by cutting down stress and fatigue. It effectively stimulates spleen and heart conditions, rejuvenates blood circulation and provides a soothing effect on nervous system. It also reduces the risk of cardiac arrest and strokes. 8. Longan is beneficial for skin as well. Longans contain anti-aging properties and are proven to improve skin health. This fruit is particularly beneficial for the delicate skin near the eyes, minimizing peeling and cracking of the skin and improves the skin tone. It also keeps the teeth and gums in a good condition. 9. The seeds of longans are known to counteract heavy sweating. The pulverized kernel, which contains saponin, tannin and fat that serve as a substance that draws the tissue together, thereby constricting heat tissue and effectively stops blood and other secretion. 10. The seeds of longan are proven to treat snake bites. Pressing the eye of the seed against the snakebite area absorbs the venom and cures the bite. The seeds also contain saponin that works wonders for hair and can be used as an important ingredient in the shampoo. Thanks for watching.